Most vehicles struggle to reach 200,000 miles. Yet some Ford trucks and SUVs quietly cross 400,000 miles with their original engine and transmission still running strong. That isn't luck, and it isn't magic. It comes down to small daily habits that most drivers overlook. In this video, I'm sharing 14 proven habits that Ford owners use to double the life of their vehicles, without expensive upgrades or complicated maintenance schedules. These tips are simple, affordable, and backed by real-world experience. The number one habit to help your Ford truck or car reach 400,000 miles is to master your oil changes. Oil is like the blood that keeps your engine alive. In new Ford engines, it also cools the turbo, helps the valves open and close at the right time, and keeps the right pressure inside the motor. If the oil gets dirty or breaks down, small parts start to wear out quietly. This happens fast in engines like the 3.5 EcoBoost or 5.0 Coyote. Many big repair bills, like noisy cam parts or stretched timing chains, come from skipping oil changes. Use the oil life light on your dash as a starting point. It watches how you drive. But many people who get super high miles change the oil every 5,000 miles or every 6 months, whichever comes first. Do this if you pull a trailer, sit in traffic a lot, take short trips, or drive in very hot or cold weather. These things make gas sneak into the oil and make it thin and weak. New Ford engines get hotter and have tighter parts than old ones. Fresh, clean oil makes a smooth, slippery coat on bearings, cams, turbo parts, and chains. It also carries away heat and dirt so nothing rubs together hard. Always use the exact oil type and number from your owner's manual, like 5W30 that meets Ford's special rules. Get a good filter too, like the real Motorcraft one. For trucks over 100,000 miles, try oil made for high-mileage cars. Some owners even test their oil at a lab to know exactly when to change it. The second tip might seem small, but it can save you thousands of dollars over time. Modern Ford vehicles are equipped with advanced sensors and onboard computers that constantly monitor engine performance, fuel systems, emissions, transmission behavior, and more. These systems often detect problems long before you can see, hear, or feel anything unusual. The key is catching those warnings early. Make it a habit to run a diagnostic scan on your Ford every few weeks, or at least once a month. You do not need expensive dealership equipment. A basic OBD2 scanner, or even a reliable Bluetooth scanner connected to your smartphone, can read trouble codes in just a few minutes. Even if your check engine light is off, the system may already have stored pending or history codes. These early signals can point to small issues like a weak sensor, minor misfire, loose gas cap, early battery voltage irregularities, or slight emission faults. Problems that are inexpensive to fix now, but costly if ignored. When a code appears, stay calm. Do not panic and do not ignore it. Look up the code, understand what system it relates to, and inspect the basics first. Sometimes it is as simple as tightening a connection, cleaning a sensor, or replacing a small part before it stresses larger components. Also, clear the code only after addressing the cause. If it returns, that is valuable information. Your car is telling you something needs attention. This simple monthly habit turns you from a reactive owner into a proactive one. Instead of waiting for breakdowns, you stay ahead of them. Next at number 3 is the most important tip. Keep the exhaust system leak-free. Most people ignore the exhaust system until it gets loud, and that is a costly mistake. A small exhaust leak may not seem serious, but it slowly hurts engine performance and fuel efficiency. Over time, it can even damage sensors and other engine parts. First, listen closely when you start your Ford. If you hear ticking, hissing, or extra noise, get the exhaust checked right away. Small cracks or loose joints are easy to fix early and much cheaper than full replacements. Furthermore, inspect the exhaust during regular service visits. Make sure there are no rust holes, loose clamps, or broken hangers. A clean, sealed exhaust helps the engine breathe properly. Keep it leak-free, and your Ford runs smoother, stronger, and much longer. This fourth tip is simple, but it plays a major role in protecting your Ford's reliability. Your battery is more than just something that starts the engine. In modern Ford vehicles, it powers dozens of sensors, control modules, safety systems, and onboard computers. When the battery terminals are dirty, corroded, or loose, the electrical flow becomes unstable. Even a small interruption in voltage can cause strange behavior. Flickering lights, random warning messages, rough idling, transmission shifting issues, or hard starts. Many drivers assume something serious is wrong with the engine or electronics. In reality, the problem often begins right at the battery. Make it a habit to inspect your battery terminals every few weeks, especially before extreme weather seasons. Look for white, green, or bluish corrosion buildup around the posts. That corrosion increases resistance and weakens the electrical connection. If you see buildup, disconnect the battery safely and clean the terminals using a battery cleaning brush or a mixture of baking soda and water. Dry everything thoroughly before reconnecting. Always tighten the terminals securely so they do not move by hand. A loose connection can mimic serious electrical faults. It is also wise to check the battery voltage occasionally. A healthy battery typically reads around 12.6 volts when the engine is off and about 13.7 to 14.7 volts while running. Anything significantly lower may indicate a weak battery or charging system issue. The fifth tip is the use of high-quality fuel and avoid empty tank. Driving fuel choice matters more than most drivers realize. Using low-quality fuel slowly harms your Ford from the inside. Dirty fuel leaves deposits on fuel injectors and valves, which reduces power and hurts mileage over time. High-quality fuel burns cleaner and keeps the fuel system working the way Ford designed it to work. Just as important is how low you let the fuel level drop. Driving with an almost empty tank forces the fuel pump to work harder. Sediment and dirt sitting at the bottom of the tank can get pulled into the system, causing clogs and early pump failure. That repair alone can be very expensive. Make it a habit to refill before the tank gets too low. Choose trusted fuel stations whenever possible. These small choices protect the fuel pump, injectors, and engine. Treat your Ford well at the pump, and it will reward you with smooth performance and a much longer life. Next, at number 6, we need to pay attention to the small light on your dashboard. The check engine light is your Ford's early warning system. When it turns on, the car is telling you something is wrong, even if it still feels normal to drive. Ignoring it is one of the fastest ways to turn a small issue into a major repair. Sometimes the problem is simple, like a loose gas cap or a sensor acting up. Other times it points to engine misfires, fuel issues, or emission problems. The only way to know is to check it early. A quick scan can save you from serious engine damage later. Do not wait for the car to lose power or break down. Treat the check engine light like a message you must read right away. Listen early, fix small problems fast, and your Ford will stay strong for many more miles. If you want to make your Ford last over 400,000 miles without any major repair, then tip number 7 is very important. Air and fuel filters may seem small, but they play a huge role in keeping your Ford running strong. Clean air filters allow the engine to breathe properly, improving power, fuel efficiency, and overall performance. A clogged air filter forces the engine to work harder, which adds unnecessary wear over time. Fuel filters are just as important. They prevent dirt, rust, and other debris from reaching the fuel injectors. When the fuel filter gets clogged, the engine struggles to get the right fuel flow. This can cause misfires, poor performance, and even damage expensive components like injectors and pumps. The key is timing. Check your Ford's manual and replace air and fuel filters exactly when recommended. Don't wait for problems to appear. The 8th secret is simple: clean, fresh transmission fluid. Your Ford's transmission is one of the most expensive parts to repair, but regular care can keep it running smoothly for hundreds of thousands of miles. Over time, fluid breaks down, loses its ability to lubricate, and allows metal parts to wear faster. Dirty fluid also leads to overheating, slipping, and rough gear shifts. Start by checking your Ford's manual for the recommended fluid change schedule. Some models need it every 30,000 to 60,000 miles, while others can go longer, but sticking to Ford's guidelines is crucial. Always use the exact transmission fluid specified for your engine and transmission type. When you change the fluid, make sure the filter is replaced too. This removes trapped debris that can harm the system. Regular transmission maintenance may seem small, but it keeps shifts smooth, prevents costly repairs, and helps your Ford last well beyond 400,000 miles. Now move to tip number 9. Many drivers don't realize that tires affect more than just handling. They also impact your Ford's engine and overall longevity. Uneven tire wear can create extra stress on the suspension and drivetrain, forcing the engine to work harder and reducing fuel efficiency. Over time, this can quietly add miles of wear to critical components. Rotating your tires regularly keeps wear even across all 4 wheels. Most Ford models recommend rotation every 5,000 to 7,500 miles, often timed with oil changes. Make sure to follow the rotation pattern suggested in your manual to get the best results. Even if your tires look fine, regular rotation prevents unexpected wear and balances the load on the engine, transmission, and suspension. It's a small, simple step that protects your Ford from hidden stress and keeps driving smooth. The 10th tip is the avoiding short trips that never warm the engine. Short trips might seem harmless, but they quietly damage your Ford over time. Every time you drive for only a few minutes, the engine doesn't reach its optimal operating temperature. Cold engines suffer from poor lubrication, and moisture builds up in the oil, which can lead to sludge. This extra wear adds up and shortens the life of engine components. To protect your Ford, try to combine short trips into longer drives whenever possible. Even a 15 to 20-minute drive is better than stopping after 5 minutes. When the engine reaches normal temperature, the oil flows properly, clearing out condensation and keeping moving parts protected. Avoiding repeated cold starts reduces stress on the engine, improves fuel efficiency, and prevents early wear on critical components. Over time, this small habit can make a huge difference, helping your Ford run smoothly. The 11th tip is that how you drive has a bigger impact on your Ford's life than most people realize. Aggressive acceleration, hard braking, and constant stop and go stress the engine, transmission, and suspension. Over time, this extra strain wears out components faster, reduces fuel efficiency, and increases the chance of major repairs. The key is smooth driving. Accelerate gently, maintain steady speeds, and anticipate stops instead of slamming the brakes. This keeps the engine and transmission working in their optimal range, reduces heat buildup, and prevents unnecessary wear on tires and suspension. Even small changes in driving style make a huge difference over hundreds of thousands of miles. By treating your Ford with patience and care on the road, you protect critical systems, save on maintenance costs, and give yourself the best chance of reaching 400,000 miles without major repairs. Driving smart is one of the easiest secrets to long-lasting performance. Number 12 tip is that most people wash the outside of their Ford and forget the underside, but the undercarriage is where serious damage often starts. Dirt, mud, salt, and road grime collect under the car and trap moisture, which leads to rust. Rust doesn't just look bad, it can weaken the frame, suspension components, brake lines, and exhaust system, leading to costly repairs over time. The solution is simple. Wash the undercarriage regularly, especially after driving on salted roads in winter or muddy terrain. A quick spray with a hose or a visit to a car wash that offers undercarriage cleaning removes harmful buildup. Keeping the undercarriage clean protects critical components and prevents hidden corrosion from spreading. This small habit is one of the easiest ways to extend your Ford's life, maintain safety, and ensure it stays strong. Listen carefully about tip number 13. Engines rarely fail without warning. Most serious problems start quietly, often as small noises that drivers ignore. A faint knocking, ticking, or hissing sound may seem minor, but it can be your Ford's way of signaling a developing issue. Catching it early can save thousands in repairs. The first step is to listen. Pay attention when the engine is cold, during acceleration, or at idle. Any unusual sound should be investigated immediately. Don't wait until it gets louder or until performance drops. Early attention allows mechanics to fix minor issues before they escalate into major engine damage. By training yourself to notice these subtle signals, you protect critical parts like pistons, valves, and bearings. This habit alone keeps your engine running smoothly for hundreds of thousands of miles and dramatically increases the chances of your Ford reaching 400,000 miles without major repairs. And finally, this last tip is most important, but ignored by almost every American driver. Belts, hoses, and seals are small parts, but they play a huge role in keeping your Ford running smoothly. A worn belt can snap, a cracked hose can leak coolant, and a dried-out seal can cause oil or fluid loss. Any of these issues left unchecked can quickly turn into major repairs that cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Start by visually inspecting these components regularly, especially before long trips or during routine maintenance. Look for cracks, fraying, stiffness, or signs of leaks. Belts should feel firm but flexible, hoses should not be brittle, and seals should not be leaking fluid. Replacing a worn belt, hose, or seal early is simple and inexpensive compared to engine or transmission damage that could happen if they fail. Staying proactive with these small parts keeps your Ford reliable and prevents unexpected breakdowns. In the start of the video, we have discussed that keeping your Ford running strong past 400,000 miles doesn't require luck. It requires smart care and attention. Together, these 14 practical steps form a roadmap that helps your Ford stay reliable, powerful, and ready to cross 400,000 miles without costly breakdowns.